Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a 3 size in Canva step by step. Whether you're printing posters or creating flyers, this guide will help. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open canva.com and log into your account. Step 2. On the Canva homepage, click the Custom Size button on the top right. Step 3. A 3 size in pixels is 3508 by 4961 pixels, or in millimeters. It's 297 millimeters by 420 millimeters. Type these values in and make sure the correct unit is selected. Step 4. Once you've entered the size, click Create New Design. Now you've got a perfect A3 sized canvas ready to design. Bonus tip: if you're going to print your design, make sure to download it as a PDF print for the best quality. And that's how to set A3 size in Canva step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!